In this video, I'll show you how to fix the E3 error on your HP Smart Tank 580. This usually means a paper jam. These steps also work for other HP Smart Tank models. For that, 1. Turn printer on and keep the power light solid, not flashing. 2. Remove all paper from the rear paper tray. 3. Open the rear slot and check for jammed or torn paper. Remove gently without tearing. Move the paper with slider and check behind it. 4. Reset the slider back to the correct paper size, A4. 5. Close the rear flap completely until it clicks. 6. Open the front access door. Check around the printhead area for jammed bits of paper. Remove any debris carefully. 7. Close the front door and wait for lights to stop flashing. 8. Restart the printer. Turn it off. Wait for lights to go out. Turn it on again.